Introducing the top 5 best-selling S-shaping machines of 2025, perfect for body sculpting, facial lifting, and rejuvenation. First place, the S-Shape 30K Body Shape LEMS RF machine, combining 30K ultrasound, RF facelift, and adipose-reducing laser. It provides the ultimate solution for body and facial contouring. Second place, the S-Shape and RF electroporation vacuum suction machine, offering vacuum suction and RF electroporation for targeted body and face care. Third place, the S-Shape with RF vacuum ultrasound and lead pads. Sculpt your body and rejuvenate your skin with advanced RF and lead technology. Fourth place, the Airstorm S-Shape 30K ultrasound machine for home use. Achieves cell-quality facial lifting and body shaping, all from the comfort of your home. Fifth place, the S-Shape 30K ultrasound RF EMS vacuum machine with 1/6 OMU laser. A multifunctional device for effective fat reduction, lifting, and skin rejuvenation. 2025's best-selling S-Shape machines, high-quality results, advanced technology, and complete care for your clients. Start offering these top treatments today.